everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got all of our cell phone cases all organized and lined up, and we're going to scan whatever we can on Amazon, and then everything else is going to go into a cell phone accessories box that will be available for you guys. Not that I'm cherry picking. There's still a lot of otterboxes and really nice phones that are available. I just don't take the extra time to take the pictures on eBay. I don't really list a lot on eBay. Amazon is kind of my primary platform, so everything else is going to be available for you guys. So this is primarily an eBay box for resellers. You may be able to find some more stuff on Amazon through some digging and searching. I just am not going to do that with this box, so I want to make it available for you guys. So we're going to get listing away. We've already listed a few things, and so we'll tell you where we're at the end of the video and kind of give you updates through the process. All right, so we just actually processed all through this. I wasn't able to run the camera during this process, but a recap. This is a Via Trading pallet. It's 3 pallets of cell phone accessories. I paid $1,732.50. It shipped all 3 of the pallets for $350. So my total investment is just a little over $2,000. Basically just shy of $700 per pallet. I just unboxed the first one. If you haven't watched me get everything out through this fun little doggy door we made, check it out. But I wanted to kind of give you a recap of where we're actually going to list everything and how much I think I'm going to make. Okay, so this is what I consider trash. Now, not all of it is actual trash, but like this here, this is just crushed to pieces. This is just crushed to pieces. It's not even been used or opened, but the packaging isn't in good enough shape. So what I might do with this is bring it to church, see if anybody wants these things. You know, it's open back there, but you can clearly see it's never been out of the package. Well, maybe it has been, somebody shoved it back in, but it's, you know, it's new and usable. And then there's a lot of charging cables in here and things like that, that just, they've been bought and then returned. Maybe they bought the wrong ones.
There's a defective slip right there. See it?
Yeah, there's a defective slip on some of these, so those I won't bring in. But, you know, well, this one, you can see why it's defective. Someone cut it. So some of the ones that are fully functional, I'll bring in. Just want to give them away. You know, everybody always needs more charging cables in their world. All right. And so this is the stuff that we're going to put online. I pretty much just listed on Amazon. But total online, we're going to be $589. Remember, we paid just under $700. So I'm about $100 short still. But with the rest of the items, because that's only about, I don't know, like 30 items that I'm putting online. The rest of the stuff is over here. So let me show you. I am going to make $40 cell phone accessories boxes. If you are an eBayer, you will love this. Basically, I don't like to really list a lot on eBay. And so I did look up some of these things. You can get 10, 15, 20 bucks on some of these items on eBay. And so all of this stuff is going to go into my cell phone accessories box. You'll get 25 items, and it'll be a variety of different things, from cell phone cases to cell phone chargers to HDMI cables to network cables to charging mounts to FM transmitters, to various different things. But I did look up a few of these things, and yes, they are on eBay, and they are selling on eBay. And so just remember, you're going to pay about 40 bucks, and then you'll do shipping, but you'll pay 40 bucks plus shipping, and you'll be basically around the $2 mark invested per each item. And so if you can sell the cell phone cases for more than $2, you're definitely going to make your money back.
We had flea marketers buy it.
Yeah, we had a lot of flea marketers buy it, and they said they did fantastic. The last sets of boxes that we sold, we blew out of them.
These aren't for sale, by the way. That was my this is his listing snack. This was my
pecan
dinner
with
water.
Yes, that was his snack.
So it's a dinner of champions right there.
Yeah. But just so you know what size of a box you'll be getting, this box, timber. Okay, so this box right here, sorry, I'm making a mess, is basically the size of a box you're going to be getting. So you have 25 items all in here, and I do have even some more phone cases in here. Here's an OtterBox with a pop socket from my last load that I couldn't I didn't have 25 total items, so I'm going to add those to it as well. So you got some screen protectors, things like that. So check that out. The link will be down in the description below, but I just wanted to let you know that, yeah, even though I didn't quite make it to my $700 mark, I probably will if I can sell these in large bundles, but I definitely think they're worth it. Remember, only about a couple bucks invested in each item. We are going to unbox number 2 and number 3. And just so you know, the reason why I bought 3 pallets of cell phone accessories is the last cell phone accessory pallet that I got, I really did extremely well. And so it may be that the top one is where kind of, some of the maybe not as good stuff, I don't know, is in it. But I mean, I think this stuff is still really good. I just didn't post as much on eBay. I think maybe that's why I didn't make as much this time. But I may find better stuff here and here. And so if you are an eBay or a flea marketer or even a garage sales, if you can make more than $2 per item, you're going to do fantastic. So hopefully helpful to see what I listed everything for this cell phone accessories palette, the mother of all palettes. That was rather interesting. So if you didn't get to watch the first one, check it out and see how I actually got in this palette and figured out how to get it all out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below. This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
Man, I unboxed cell phone accessories galore. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to buy your own cell phone accessories box like this one, go ahead and check the link in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to see all of my videos. I put a video out every day. Click here to subscribe. If you would like to buy any other of the interesting things that I unbox, check out hookedonpickin.com. And of course, you want to watch more of my videos.